All right, welcome back to Learn Wire. Today we're going to be looking at a software, and this is called ShortsAI. I have just been doing some testing before making the review video, just to kind of vet to see if this is a good product or not. I do believe that this is a good product, and basically what this software is going to allow you to do is quickly create videos specifically for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. You can use these videos for other platforms if you want to. I believe it comes with two applications actually. You can run the application on the cloud, and you can actually use a webcam on your computer screen. But I would recommend using the phone app, and that's for iOS or Android. You download the ShortsAI, and it's actually the software itself is going to end up being called AI Prompter. Right here, and you can actually create videos online inside of the cloud over here. I'm going to show you this in just a minute, but I recommend using the phone application, the phone app better, because it's going to come off when you're reading. I just did some tests just now. And when you're reading off of the phone application, it's going to look a lot more natural. You can't really even tell that you're reading off of a script, versus if you do it on the computer. You've got your screen right in front of you, and usually your webcam is right above your screen. No matter where you put that webcam, it's gonna kind of show your eyes are not going to be on the camera, and so that it just takes away from the quality of the video that you're going to be creating. So definitely it's going to be a lot better. Like if we're in here and you say a download app, look, you've got it on the Google Play Store. You can get the Android, or the Apple Store, you can get the iOS version. And just to show you right off the bat what you can, the kind of video that you can create, we're going to come down over here. Let me find it real quick. I think it might be this one right here, this review. Someone made one.
Everyone, are you looking to make money online? Do you want to learn how to become an affiliate marketer? If so, I have the perfect solution for you. Introducing Easy Affiliate Marketing, the new course that will teach you the basics of affiliate marketing and how to make money with it.
Okay, so you can see that, he's reading, but you can see his eyes are really not, I'm going to go ahead and mute that. We can push play. You can see his eyes right here. You can barely see them move. And because of the glare in his glasses, you can see the phone. He's recording on the phone right there. Okay, but if you don't have the glare or you don't have glasses, then you wouldn't even see the phone in the background. And you can see his eyes. They stay the same. He's using the application. You can see that this is a vertical video, perfect for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. And you're going to be able to read any script you want in order to have a nice natural video. And especially those people that are not used to being on camera, this is a good software for you to get started creating videos right now, because you're able to put in a script, and I can show you how you would do that, right? So we come over here to create new campaign, and I'm just going to say David test, right? And then we're going to say continue. And then we're right over here. And then what it's going to do is it's going to take you right here. And so let's just say I wanted to create a video. And let's say we're on the make money online niche. And I'm just going to say, write a script, top 3 ways to make money online in 2023. And then what you do is you generate the AI script. It's going to go to work, and it's going to create an AI script for you. And then when it's done, you'll see a green box come up here, and it'll tell us that we are done. And there you go, well done. And then watch right here, it's going to come in, and we've got this freelance writing. In 2023, one of the most popular ways to make money online will be freelance writing with the rise in content marketing, businesses, blah, 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 and so forth. So we've got our 3 right there, a nice short. It focuses on the short scripts, 60 seconds or less, because these are going to be shorts or TikTok videos, right? And then you can just save the changes. And then it's going to take you, and you can see I have my webcam set up right here, and you can see right here, we have the script right here. And so we can actually push the start recording button, and we can adjust the script speed right here. If you have a long script, the text right here, we can go with small, We can go with huge text right here. So you can adjust the size. You get a really nice teleprompter with this. But as you can see right here, if I'm reading #1 freelance writing in 2023, one of the most popular ways to make money, you can see my eyes are completely not on point right here. And if you're making a video like this, you're going to be wanting to talk into the camera. Like right now, I'm staring right at the camera, but I can't look at a script when I'm looking at that. And so that's where the testing this out, you're going to want to download the app and use it from your phone. And you can even get really nice microphones that hook up to your phone if you don't have a good microphone on your phone. So you can get that nice audio quality and use the tool. But just showing that it does have two ways you can use it. You can use it right here, and then you would just push start script, and then this will start moving up based on the speed right here, and then you exit the recording, and then you can go back over to the campaigns section where you're going to have all these other people testing the software and so forth right here. And then you can go in and you can edit the script, you can push play, you can download the video right here, you can preview the video, you can publish the video, right? And so if we come over here and we publish the video, right now they have VidCloud, that's one of their other softwares, and then they have YouTube right here. I believe that they had Facebook before, and maybe that's coming again, but that doesn't look like it's available right now. But you can publish it directly to YouTube. But if you want to download this, you can use it for TikTok. I recommend just pushing the download button and going and uploading it to YouTube and TikTok yourself. But you'll be able to go in here and create, dozens, if not hundreds of videos very quickly with this software. You have the AI writer already hooked up for you. Now, I know most of you already have artificial intelligence softwares, like Copy AI, and you have Jasper, and you have, just all kinds of different tools, HelloScribe, Word Hero, Creator, we've got ScaleNut, we've got a lot of different, and you can use any one of those to write your scripts if you want, and then you can just paste them in. When you go into the Create New section right here, David Test 2, you could go in here and instead of using theirs, right? So we're going to go, instead of using their AI script writer, they also have a spinner right here too, which is cool. You could actually use the same script. So you could actually go in and let's just for fun, let's just go into ChatGPT real quick. We can go into ChatGPT right here and literally just say, write me a script, a YouTube script for a 30-second video about the best ways to make money with affiliate marketing. Right there, okay? And then just gonna push enter. So then right here, I don't like that one. I'm gonna go up and just do a new chat. I'm gonna come up here and just use this YouTube script creator right here. And I'm just going to push enter, and then it's going to go out there and create a script for us, ChatGPT right in front of us. So you can use this right here. And I'm going to go ahead and just pause the video, and I'll be right back when this is done. I'm going to stop generating. And let's just say we have our script right here, okay? So I'm going to copy that, and we're going to go back into the AI prompter, and let's just say we're going to use that right there, okay? So you can also come in here and, so like I said, use your own, and then you can use this spinner right here, and it just spun that, right? So you can actually take content, you could take content from other sites if you wanted to, and just have the spinner spin the content for you. So they have some different options, which is pretty cool. But as you can see, it's very simple to use, very, very simple. Start new campaign, walks you through the steps. And it's going to be the exact same steps on the phone. But like I said, if you want to get a video that looks, I'm going to go back over here to page 2. If you want to get a video that looks like this one right here, which I think is good, when we push play, we can see this guy, he's reading the script, and you can see his eyes aren't even moving. So this is very valuable. And to be honest, if you go and type in prompt, if you go in and you type in teleprompter video, it's actually super interesting and kind of crazy to me that in 2023, with all of the technology of software these days and AI, how difficult it is to actually find an application that allows you to record your video record video of yourself and read a script. It's really hard to find an application that actually does exactly those two things. And so that's what you're getting with this software. So in the front end price right here, I think it's like $35, get instant access. So you have $34 right here. You can do 20 scripts right here, and it looks like you're gonna end up having to pay, like a monthly plan or something like that. Then you can get 50 scripts right here. So you have to come in at one of these plans. But I'm just going to let you know, you're going to go in and you're going to get one of these products right here, and then you're going to have the opportunity right after that to go over here and get Shorts Unlimited. So this is kind of like one of those things, like if we went and we were going to buy this on AppSumo, it's basically going to be one of those things that you're going to have to go all in, like right here, number of scripts right here, 197 right here. Just trying to look at what the difference between these two are. Oh, 197 one time. Okay, so that's what you get. You get more bonuses. So if you get the 214 package one time, they're going to throw in ShortsAI Vertex Faceless Video Creator. Looks like that's another software. And then you get the ShortsAI Agency Business Kit. If you want to turn this into a business, you also get licensed to do that. You get the Done For You business. You get a website. You get all kinds of stuff. So there's a lot more. You also get VidCloud Pro ShortsAI Edition. You get 200 gigabytes of storage. Wow, upload 10,000 videos per month. So if you want the agency pack and turn this into an actual business for yourself, then for $200, I don't know very many businesses that you can start for just $200. That's when you're going to want to go and get this one right here. If you just want to do this to build your own channels, then you can just get the 197. But when you really look at this, this is an actual real software that can actually go out there and build you a real business. It's not going to be just a $37 price tag and then you're done, right? You're going to want to come in here and get one of the unlimited. So this is kind of one of those things. Of course, there's all these upsells and everything. I'm not going to show you all the one-time offers. There's like 4 or 5 of them. I'm really going to just focus on what you need if you get this software. If I was going to buy this software, I would get I would pick one of the first ones. I don't really think it matters. You pick one of these. It's a $3 difference. You're probably going to want to just go with the $37 price tag. And then you're going to want to come down here into the first upsell is going to be this one. And you're going to want to come in here and grab one of these. So if I was going to do this for myself, then I would just get the 197. So you're going to have 197 plus the 37 on the front end equals. So for $234, you're going to have this software that is a full-blown teleprompter app that you can create unlimited videos on. It's synced to a cloud where you can come in here and you can manage all your videos in here. Look at right here. It's really easy to come in here and do anything you want. You can edit the video. I'm going to go and delete the ones that I just did. I am on a review account right here and so forth. So you're going to have all your videos in here. And you can have hundreds of videos in here. And as soon as you record a video from the phone, it immediately syncs to the cloud. Both accounts are hooked up in sync. So when you record from your phone, then you log in, maybe you want to do some editing or you want to download it and edit it from the computer, which is going to be easier. Then you're going to be able to log into AI Prompter right here and you're going to see the video in here and then you're going to be able to go and download it and then go and edit it in another software if you want and so forth. Oh, and that's another thing that I didn't mention. If you use the phone after testing, I think when you use the phone application, it automatically gets rid of any silences in your recording. So if you stop and there's a pause, 1, 2, 3 seconds or something like that, it's going to automatically get rid of all those. They have an algorithm that gets rid of all those, and that's really, really cool. All the word gaps, right? So it's already going to do some automatic video editing for you. So you're going to be able to just record videos and upload them like crazy, and you can go and build channels like crazy, just uploading content to YouTube Shorts and TikTok. So that's pretty much it. Of course, there's more upsells. I'm focusing on the ones that you would need if this is a business opportunity that you want to get going on. The ones that you need are the front end, and then you're going to definitely want to pick up one of the unlimited versions right here, which is one upsell. I actually wouldn't just pick up one of the front ends because you're going to zip through 50 scripts or 20 scripts really, really easily if you're doing this for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. That is not very many videos right there. You're going to want to pick up one of these one-time offers right here, the $197 or the $214. The fact that this is only $14, $15, $16, $17 more, and it gives you all this right here. Of course, these are marketing tactics, but it just makes more sense to get this. You get like a ton of stuff. These fast action bonuses right here, you're going to get a chatbot plugin. You're getting all kinds of different stuff. So pretty cool stuff. I think that this is a solid software that if you do want to get into, vertical videos, shorts, and TikTok, then this would be a software to go pick up. Link will be below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this in-depth review, and I'll see you in the next video.